Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I know I have been missing in action probably for like 4, 5, or 6 months or better, but I am back. And I am actually starting with a new box to my channel. It's called Sage and Salts. I'm flashing it real quick because I have my shipping information on here. So where have I been? I will tell you throughout the video so I don't get too chatty. So this is a luxury subscription box. I saw it on another YouTuber's channel, and since it was starting to get towards the holidays and I had to start buying some, well, I didn't have to, but I wanted to start buying some holiday presents. This box contained a lot of gifts that I wanted to give out, so I thought, why not get it? It's a little bit on the pricier end. You can pay for it for the whole year. It's a quarterly box, so obviously if you pay for it for the whole year, you get more of a discount. They were offering, I don't know, $10 or $20 off, so I think I paid like $160. You can go on their website and you can purchase some of the items in this box separately, but for me it made more sense to just buy the whole box, and I will go through it. So I had gone to Chicago, I want to say in maybe September. My daughter from Germany flew into Chicago with her husband. So I flew in for about 5 days and got to see the grandbaby and spent time with the family. It was just a quick 5-day trip. And then I came back and I had about 4 or 5 days before my daughter came back from Chicago, and then she stayed with me for about 8 days. But in between me going to Chicago and her coming in, I got to see a very special YouTuber. I got to see Sue from Reviews with Sue. So I hooked up with her and we had a fantastic day. And at the end of the video, I will put a picture of us together. It was so exciting because it was just like she popped out of one of her videos and we hugged. I mean, because I watch so many of her videos and she watches mine. So it was just like, she just popped out. So that was a lot of fun. So this box comes beautifully, let me get it in the camera. It comes beautifully wrapped. And as I says, there were so many items in this box that of course I wanted, but I thought would make perfect gifts. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I know I have been gone. But I would appreciate it if you would like this video and become one of my YouTube family members and subscribe. And it's got this, I guess it's lavender. It's, oh my gosh, definitely lavender comes inside the box. And then it has the pamphlet, which I'm thinking has everything that is in this box. So if you need, I know I'm probably not posting this till about the 8th or 9th of December, but this was really quick shipping. And it's got the thank you for your purchase, and I will leave a link for their website. I don't get anything off of it, but it is a fantastic box. Oh my God, there is just so many goodies in here. And I'm glad I'm filming this outside because the smells are just fantastic. And I have a candle burning inside, so I don't want it to mix. So it's got all the wrappings in here, and as I said, it is a strong smell. So the first thing is in here is a deep collagen anti-wrinkle lifting mask. And that is going to stay with me. So I'm not sure it's in the brochure. It gives more of an explanation. I think it does. We were skeptical about this trend until we tried it. The organic brightening and hydrating overnight sheet mask. I guess you leave it on overnight and it literally melts into your skin. Delivers mind-blowing results Wear it overnight. After just a few hours, the mask absorbs into your skin, leaving it radiant and refreshed by morning. Prepare to be amazed. It's an organic Korean, it's got organic Korean serum in it. So, and I do remember now that when the video I was watching, they did talk about that. So you can probably go on and find this and repurchase it if you fall in love with it. The other item were these candles, and everything is just wrapped. So you want to give this as a gift, you can just like rewrap it and it's all set. And these candles smell like pine. Oh my gosh. And let's see what they say about them. It just tells you how to, you know, do the wicks and get them to burn longer. But these are really nice. And I can't remember if they put candle holders for these or not. And the next item, and this is what I liked. And I have to decide if I want to give it to my daughter-in-law, which is what I thought of. They cook wonderful, they're Korean, and they cook wonderful Korean dishes. So they're always having like bread and everything with all their meals. And it's got these little fizzies over everything. It's got this beautiful bread basket. It's got a recipe in there. And then it's got the instructions. But what it has is you like warm this up and then you put it in the bread basket. And what else was in the box? I am making such a mess over here. It's got an organic cotton, and then you roll that little hard plate and you wrap it around here, and then you put it in the bread basket. So I thought about this for my daughter-in-law, because as I said, they're always cooking these very fancy dishes, and they like to make the garlic bread a lot, which I do too. And then it has the recipe. So when I saw that, and I know these probably aren't cheap, and there's no prices in here. So the box has to be definitely worth the price. But that was one of the things that I saw. Oh, and there's 2 of these face masks in here. So if I really like it, now I have 2 of them. And I said, these candles smell like pine. Oh. And then we have it's by Sandy Moon, and it's another Korean. It's a neck cream. I don't know if you can see it since I'm filming outside, and it's gorgeous here in Arizona. And I have a bee that's going to be joining me. Sweating with the neck cream. So we have this really nice neck cream. And let me see if I can find out a little bit more about it. It is, it's a Korean skincare trend. We had testers try this neck roller serum, and the results speak for themselves. Formulated with glycerin hyaluronic acid. There's a device to use this with. How exciting, because I'm going to say, well, I don't know if I have the device. But who doesn't want a good neck cream? So that's in there. And then we've got the tag in there. And then, oh, you're totally making a mess out here. Oh, are these? I can't remember. I wonder if these are candle holders. Aren't these beautiful? And I couldn't remember because I ordered this so long ago. But these are 3 candle holders. They're different sizes. And we have a visitor. I hear a dog. And the candles, I don't want to ruin it because I'm gifting this, but the candles fit inside. And again, they're 3 different sizes and they will look beautiful on a table. We are actually, with my little busy lifestyle, I don't know if any of you have heard of Lake Havasu. It is in Arizona. It's a town on a lake, of course, and it's a cute little town. And you can rent boats, you can rent ski jets, you can rent everything. Well, we rented a Airbnb for 10 days between Christmas and New Year's, and we're going to go with a friend of ours, and we're just going to relax, and it has a heated pool and a hot tub, and we're just going to chill out. Well, we were supposed to go to Germany. This is our second try to go to Germany, and with everything that's going on over in the Middle East, we canceled our trip. And so what we did was we rebooked. We have to use our flight credits by February. So we are going to use those flight credits and go to Cabo for 10 days. I know it's a rough life. But anyway, we are going to go to spend Christmas, New Year's over in Lake Havasu. What that has to do with the candles. But anyway, I will be gifting these with the candles to the person I'm going with. And I know she doesn't watch my video. So, but these are beautiful. So I knew I was going to get my money's worth out of the box. And that neck cream actually goes with this neck device. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. So it's on a, forgive me, it's on a charging station, so I'm going to have to do a lot of reading up on it, but I guess you take the neck cream and you take this device, and I'm assuming you roll up with that neck cream. And this will be a fun item to bring on our 10-day trip or whatever between Christmas and New Year's to try this out, because I know she will definitely like that. So I don't know, it's got the charging cable, so I thought that was cool. That might have enticed me to get the box, I can't remember. You know, I get addicted to all you YouTubers, and I'll see a box and Dennis will be in bed and I'm like, I think I'm gonna order that box. So just to recap, because I know I've just gone off script here, we got those 2 masks. Oh, there might be more in here. Let me recap. We got the candles with the candle holder, those 2 masks, this bread basket, which if any of you have one of those, let me know how you like it. The neck cream with this device. It's called the EMS LED light therapy device, and I can imagine how much. And it looks like we got, oh, and you could have bought, that's right, you could have bought an add-on. It was $49 and you could have bought an add-on. I didn't want to spend any more than I did, but the add-on included a charm bracelet, which had a value of $24, a leather crossbody bag that had a value of $65, and an umbrella. And I didn't buy that, but check out their website and you can definitely see for yourself. But as I said, I got the bread basket, the candle holders, the candles, and the masks, the neck cream, and the device. That's what came in my box. So what did you think about it? What was your favorite item? You know, I'm going for the neck thing because if it works, it'll definitely be worth it. And the masks. I just love skincare and that kind of stuff. So Again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I'm just so glad to be back and see everybody. I just have to get in gear now, and I just have so many boxes you just don't know. They were just coming in and coming in. I got a bunch of clothing boxes. I got like Stitch Fix and Front Door Fashion, but because of the time constraints, I just opened them up and tried them on and sent them back. So, but I will be getting more, so those you will see. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for your support and waiting for me, and have an awesome holiday.